Hello kids, welcome to Crazy Kid Show. Today we will learn how to write A to Z in cursive in 4 lines notebook. A. A is for apple. B. B is for butterfly. C. C is for cow. D. D is for dog. E. E is for egg. F. F is for fish. G. G is for grapes. H. H is for hat. I. I is for igloo. J. J is for jug. K. K is for kite. L. L is for lamp. M. M is for mango. N. N is for nose. O. O is for orange. P. P is for peacock. Q. Q is for quill. R. R is for rat. S. S is for ship. T. T is for tomato. U. U is for unicorn. V. V is for violin. W. W is for watermelon. X. X is for xylophone. Y. Y is for yo-yo. Z. Z is for zebra.